Now I get the message action perform. So if I click, so it doesn't get the simulation version, but all the rows or all the T codes which are below project I the assigned to that particular user. So whenever user go to log into his window, and if this role is assigned to that user, system will allow him see this is the similar. System will allow you to access that particular T code. So this is the similar of this authorization which I have provided to the particular role. Got it? Now I will go to the next window, that is the authorization. Here I have to provide a detailed authorization or a my minute level authorization to that particular user. So you need to save the first role. Again, system will ask you for each and every tab. System will ask you to save the role. Now you can provide the authorization according to the work center for that particular user or a particular group of member or particular plant. Like if I want to provide the authorization for respective plant, that is 3000, 30050, 3100 and 3105 only. So I have to select that plant and just click on the enter, or you can be provided the range also. If you want to provide the work center authorization for all the work center, then you just click on the star. Star means it will be applicable for all the work center. So accordingly you can take a decision whether you want to select a range, whether you want to select a particular plant or a company code, controlling area, or whether you want to provide all the plant or all the company code. According to you or basis guy, take the decision. Now come under project system. Here you provided the detailed authorization, whether it is a display or add or a change plant. If you click, it will be applicable for all the plant. Finally, providing the appropriate authorization for all the nodes by the basis guy, he will just click on the generate and just click on the enter. Now this two tab which I have access is turned on a green. Now the last tab is the user tab. So I click on the user tab. Now here I have to provide the particular user ID, whether it is a single user ID or a multiple user ID. So I want to provide this particular role authorization to 4 users, that is Smith, Squazzard, Marley and Marshall. Just enter. So it will be automatically from the today's date till end of this date, or you can be provided the particular range of the date. And finally click on the user comparison to compare this, assign this particular roles to this user, and just click on the complete comparison. Again system will ask you to whether you want to save this role or not. Just click on yes, and the role will get saved in the system. Similarly, if I want to create a budget kind of a role with a display only, then I can create another role. This is just for your example. Basically role will be created by the basis consultant. So I have changed the role and just click on the creation of new role. Just provide the role description. Just again click the same process, menu, system will ask you to save the role. Just click on yes. Just go to the SAP main menu, or you can be provided, if you know the transaction, you can be provided the click on transaction, logistics, project system, financial, budgeting, original budget, display. So I need to provide only display T code to that particular user, that is a CJ31, only the authorization. Then I have to transfer, and then finally save. Before saving, you just go to the authorization also tab, controlling area. If you want to allow for the all controlling area, you just put the star, and if you want to allow for all profit center, just put the star, or you can select your own profit center also. As there is no maintenance profit center, so again leave it blank. Then you can be provided the further authorization, project type, whether you want to provide it the particular project type, whether it is a cost or a customer project, you can be provided that, or you can be applicable for all if you maintain the star. Then person responsible, again you can be mention the name of the person responsible by selecting what it, click on generate, and finally just provided the username. Now how this authorization get work in the system, that I will show you by creating one another user in the system. To create a user, transaction code SU01, you have to provide it the SAP user, and you just click on the copy. You have to provide as a name, PS user, which I have created, copy all, provided a password. So now this PS user get created in the system. Now I will log in with PS user. So before logging in the PS user, again I will go to this, change the PS user. With same login, I go to role. I need to delete this role. And now I will log in with the PS user. So at the first time login, system will ask you to maintain new password. Now system will fetch the message that you are not authorized for this transaction code. Even if I run the transaction code CJ31, system will provide you are not authorized to use this transaction code. So I will go to the earlier login, that is SAP user. Just assign this role. Just go to the PFCG. Go to the change mode. Go to the user and just do the user comparison and save. Now if I come to the PS user and run the T code, so system will open the particular transaction code. This is the way you can control your authorization in the system. So here we completed the configuration part in the PS system. Now we will start with the business process, how the business process will map in the SAP project system module.